Welcome to Learn with Pinky. Today we will see how to create a helical crane in CATIA V5. Let's move on to CATIA V5. Mechanical design, part design. If you want, you can name this or else leave. Then I will select this one. And I will select position sketch. I will draw in the front plane 3 circles. So I am not using any definite dimensions. I am creating which is something relevant to helical game. So I'll consider this one. This big circle would be 100 mm diameter, and then this circle would be 80 mm diameter. Then this would be 50 mm. So now we need a key at here. So we'll select this profile option. We'll draw a vertical line something like this, then horizontal line something like this. I will join it here. So now we need to constrain this key. So this would be something around 8 mm, and this would be 6 mm. So now we'll constrain those two would be 4 mm because it's exactly at middle. So now we will need to trim this part. Select quick trim and select this one. So now our key is ready. So exit from here. Select pad. You may wonder how I do the pad. So let's see. Select this one and this one. Okay. Then select mirror action 20 mm in both sides. And okay. Then I use again pad. Select go to profile like mentioned. Select this one. Okay. Then 5 mm on both sides, something like this it looks. So our profile has been created. Now the only part we need to do is the teeth. Now for teeth, select this one and select position sketch. Then select this circle and project 3D elements. So now select this profile command and draw something like a teeth. If you have dimensions, you can take from the dimensions like this. So now I need to constrain this one. This would be 3 mm. From here to here it is 1.5. So now the teeth is completed. Then so now the teeth is completed. We need to trim this part. We have to keep only this area. Select the trim option. Select this circle. So now exit from here. Then select the plane option here. Select the plane option. First select the surface. Select the plane option and make it 0. Plane is created exactly at here. So now select this plane which we created now. Then make position sketch and draw it and select a point and place exactly at middle like this. Then select the rotate option here, then select this point and select this middle circle midpoint. Then here keep maybe 15 mm in negative direction. It will come in the right side like this. Then exit from here. Now select the line command and select this point which is rightmost end of this teeth and select the line. If you want more angle, you can select the sketch and you can increase the angle offset. So create line like this. Then select the rib option, which we call sometimes sweep also. Select this profile and select this line and press OK. So now we need teeth around the circular portion. For this, we need to do pattern option, circular pattern. Select here object, rib, Then select the reference element, put with this, and select here instance and tool angle, make it 25. If you want, you can increase the switches also. Select here, give angle 360. Maybe it looks something more. We'll give 20. Pop some error. So this is how helical gear looks. If you want to keep something more angle also, you can try that one. So this is how the helical gear looks. Something like this. So the thing is, in this internet, no one shown how to create a helical gear using rib option. They're shown using multi-section solid. So I use a rib option, which is we commonly use. So that's the thing. This is how you need to create a helical gear. That's all for today. Thank you. Subscribe for more interesting videos.